Hey guys, today I've got a true manufacturing cooler and I've got it all plugged in. It's at temperature. It's got the 3 shelves with a bottom there that you can put all your drinks or food or whatever. This would be great for garage or a shop, or you could use it at a retail location. This is just a decal sticker, so you could take that off and leave it blank or put whatever you want in there. It's got a light that you can turn on and off, and then I'll show you real quick with my temp gun. I've got it set right now to fluctuate between, I believe, about 36 and 41. And so what it'll do is it'll turn it on to 36, then stop, conserve the energy, and when it gets up to 41, it just does that cycle and kicks on and off. And you can set it to be a little warmer, or I think it'll get all the way down to 34. But essentially, that's pretty much it right there, guys. It's nice and clean. These shelves are adjustable. I'll have all the pictures of it side to side and all that. Everything works perfect on it. Thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great day.